Vendors based in Jamaica, Clarendon are growing restless over what they say is the oppressive style of law enforcement in the capital. The police, however, say their actions are to stamp out disorder in the area. More in this report.
New year, same problem. Vendors and law enforcement in Jamaica are at odds over vending in the parish capital. The latest issue came up Tuesday when the police and municipal authorities conducted another operation in the market district. The police insist order must be maintained as the alternative breeds congestion and even criminality in the town.
As you know, the pre-Christmas persons would have come out in their numbers, and oftentimes if the police are not on their P's and Q's, then persons will remain in the streets. So we are out in our numbers, both the municipal and the police officers, to ensure that persons go back in the designated areas that are designated so for vending.
But some of the vendors say the operations feel like harassment.
Come like you glad do crime. You understand? You glad do crime in our country, we can't get to selling a peace. What we say? And if people come out and start get bad, they say they're not going to look for you and kill you. We want better than our country, man. We are not suffering, stress. They most on the corona.
Right now we can't take bandits for year to year and time to time. We are run up and down. Police and metro take everything. Sometimes we just sell and we pay for your local food. But in idea we can't pay for it, we have a problem. They say they give me a spot for sell and now we can't get a spot.
They say they are tired of the figurative cat and mouse game they have to be involved in with the authorities to sell their goods. They want intervention from central government.
We pick them up to go to school, we have to eat, we have to drink. We have rent to pay, we have bills to pay, light bill and water bill. We have to come and metro take everything. And take and carry our Paris Council, and we have to pay for it 2 times. It don't make no sense. We want better and justice in our country. And the Prime Minister, to do something better for the poor people. And we put him in there.
We observed at least one truckload of material that was removed from the streets of the market district. The president of the Jamaican Vendors Association said members complained about destroyed property.
It is not what you do, but it's how you go about doing what you do. And I'm of concern that no regard is taken into consideration about the crisis that we face. We are in a pandemic and persons have lost their jobs and their means of income. No sort of consideration was taken for that.
And we encourage persons to obey the instructions of the police and work with us as we all work together for a beautiful town.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.